This is Flipping 101.
Well,
oh my God, this is a fixer-upper. My first question, why do we have graffiti inside the house?
Because we actually bought it with a squatter. We found an eviction guy. We showed him the property. He said I could get him out in 2 months. It took 4.
Yeah.
And when we finally got him out through the sheriff, through the whole protocol, the guy just demolished the house.
Oh, what did he do?
He yanked out the plumbing, and let the water continue to flow.
And the insurance probably gave you guys a pretty good check.
Yeah, actually, they gave us $30,000.
Beautiful. So then, what's the budget here then?
So
Well,
we
well,
originally started with like just a $20,000 quick,
Yeah.
and, in and out so we can get a tenant in here. But then when the $30,000 came, we're like, well, now we have a $50,000 budget. Let's see what we can do with it and see if we can flip it on the market.
I mean, that's pretty low. I mean, looking around, it's gonna be more than 50.
We're hoping not.
Man, this is gonna be a lot of work for
comps
50.
are showing that a house like this goes for like $630, $650 around here.
Okay, and I know you had to go through that eviction, so how long have you actually owned the house?
For 5 months.
Oh, geez, okay. What's the carrying cost?
About $2,700 a month.
Okay.
We paid roughly about $8,000 for the eviction, and then another $6,000 we had a remediation company come in and all that stuff, and we had to pay out of pocket.
Okay, so you guys already spent a good amount of money here.
Yeah.
Let's just start with this room then. So what would you guys do in here?
We'll definitely got to need some new floors. There's some sloping, so we're gonna have to figure out, leveling out the floor.
Yeah.
Put some updated drywall in, get rid of some of that musty smell, and paint, scrape the ceilings, new ceiling fan.
This is the kitchen.
Pretty decent sized kitchen.
Yeah.
Oh man, sloping down here.
Yeah.
This is where the squatter
water
caused
doesn't-
most of his damage when he came in and vandalized the property.
Okay, so try to get the contractor to level this out as much as possible.
Okay. This is gonna be where our first bedroom is.
Oh my God, look at this. You definitely have water damage. Something's going on in here. You smell that?
Yep.
Yeah.
Have you guys had a foundation company out?
No.
That might be a call you want to make.
Okay.
I feel like the entire house is having some issues here. And can we close off this door right here?
Well,
Because
then how
then you
they
won't
would
have access.
to the bathroom.
Oh, so the only way to get to this bedroom is through the kitchen or through the bathroom.
That's
Yeah.
right.
What's this? Oh, this is another bedroom. So no matter what, you're gonna have to go through a bedroom to get to the bathroom.
Yeah.
That's right.
It's kind of funky.
Yeah.
I really like the colors, the white and the black contrast really well.
So the house looks a lot different.
Big turnaround.
Yeah, it's cute.
Very nice.
So pretty.
I like the color of the floor.
Yeah, good.
I really like how open it is to the kitchen and to the dining room.
She likes the open floor plan.
Well, that was the best thing that we could have done then.
Ooh, the kitchen. These uppers, this whole layout's funky. Those right here. What the heck? These uppers are just
Choppy.
super choppy. The
be
whole
able to
layout
rent
would
it
have
out.
to be completely changed.
She is picking our kitchen apart.
Really poorly done. Like, why couldn't have that been over this way instead?
It just feels like it's
It's in a little corner, and I think
like it doesn't go there.
I explained what I wanted, but then they just did what they
What
thought
they wanted.
was gonna fit.
The work should have been done right.
the backsplash sounds good. I like it. It's
I
like
like-
the light grays.
It's just that I think that maybe they should have
Ran it together.
continued the same theme.
Okay.
Right off of the living room. It's pretty small.
It's tight living.
It's Thai living.
Pass-through bathroom. Pretty small. I like the herringbone design, the gray.
So this is a pass-through bathroom to the primary bedroom. Well, that's nice.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like that.
Oh, whoa. I mean, how do you even get around? Look at the wall, like pretty much touches the bed.
You gotta tell the stager, like,
We gotta move the bed.
Yeah.
Bedroom number 3. The flooring feels a little off, and I think we go down.
Can't tell you how many times I brought that up to them.
Jeez.
Okay, this should be the primary. The closet's a lot bigger in here.
That is the biggest bedroom
Yeah.
of the house.
And it's also the most traffic bedroom.
Yeah.
Very little privacy for whoever's bedroom this belongs to. Basically, to get from one side of the house to another,
you'll have to
pass
this.
through this person's bedroom.
Right.
It's not great.
No, it's not.
Yeah, so people want
Yeah,
discounts on the
it is.
price so
Yeah.
they can make repairs, which I agree. Like, if I bought this house, first thing I'd do, I'd fix the kitchen.
Yeah.
What are you guys gonna do on your next projects to make sure that doesn't happen again?
The relationship with the contractor needs to be solid, and,
Yes.
and we were a little too lenient from the beginning.
Yes.
And that's never gonna happen again.
Yeah, and I think the key factor too is maintain that open line of communication very early on.
The failures on this flip affect your business. You learned from it. You're